Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. Today I'm recording at the Pengongso Lake in the Ladakh region, the far north of India. This is a 130 kilometer long saltwater lake at a 14,500 foot altitude. This beautiful land of mountains and lake is the home of numerous ancient Buddhist monasteries. It's quite a apt and quite a beautiful time to be recording this video, as we've already had the transit of Jupiter move to Libra on the 10th of September, which is all about fairness, it's about peace, and it's all about cooperation. Leos, it's quite a powerful month for you. We are beginning the month with Mars and Pluto that are conjuncting for you in a part of your chart. That is all about your work, it's about your day-to-day activities, and it's also about your health. Now this Mars transit is going to be focusing a lot of attention on how it is that you look at not just your work, but how it is that you're taking care of your health, of yourself, how it is that you're dealing with day-to-day chores as well. Mars is going to be giving you a lot of energy, enthusiasm, but be careful of the aggression that Mars tends to bring along with itself. Pluto, of course, is going to be busy digging up on stuff that has long stayed unsorted as far as these issues are concerned. So keep in mind, while you're trying to sort things out as far as your work is concerned, don't try to dig in too much of a past over there, or try not to rather perceive things with the old eyes. Try to sort of let go of stuff that has happened as far as your work is concerned. Also, if there has been a preconceived, conditioned notion about your health, if some of you feel that, I can't be shedding that weight, or I can't be getting fit, or I keep slipping back, try and sort of start again and give it a go as far as your health is concerned. On the 8th, we have Mercury that is joining Jupiter, and Sun that is there in your house of siblings. It's a house of communication and short distance travel as well. And you could be finding it very hard to slow down your mind, Leos, during this time. They can be almost as if that you're on a the mind is on a treadmill, and you could be just trying to sort of figure out as to how it is that you sort of calm yourself down. There could just be too much happening for you, Leos. It's a great time to be taking a short trip as well, and some of you could be dealing with technology far more than usual. A brilliant time for communication, especially I think for some of you, some sibling either requires help, or there could be some amount of clarity, maybe a problem that a sibling could be dealing with, or a sibling could just come to help as well, Leos, during this time. Around the 16th, we have a full moon that is there in a part of your chart that is all about higher mind and consciousness, and this is also shining a light with Uranus being over there, which is all about unpredictability and chaos. And with the full moon being over there, it can be that some of you could feel quite connected spiritually. It's a time where you could there could always be a sense of purpose, a sense of a need to sort of connect at a deeper level, not just with people, but I think for your own self there could be a clarity as to the kind of people you want to hang around with, the books that you read, the places that you visit. Everything would need to have a kind of a significance. You are no longer quite happy doing things on a superficial level, Leos. It's also a time where because it's a time of connecting spiritually, it's a time where a lot of evolvement could take place as well. A lot of you could feel personally that there's a sense of sort of growing up spiritually. Around the 19th, we have Venus that is moving into your house of love, romance, creativity, children. And Venus is most happy being over here because she rules this house, and it will be not just there is going to be an awareness on creativity, but I think a lot of projects that are creative, you could feel quite driven towards them. There can also be a sense of deriving happiness from your children. I think for a lot of you, because this is a house of love and romance, you could be getting quite ready to commit, Leos. I think for some of you, where there has been a sort of a should I stay, should I leave, what does this relationship mean to me, or I'm not able to commit. With this particular transit over there is going to be not just an immense sense of clarity, but almost a need to sort of connect, to commit at a deeper level. On the 23rd, we have Sun that is there in your house, that is your house of home, the place where you share with others, and it is being joined by Mercury on the 25th. And then we have a new moon in the same house as well around the 30th. So quite a brilliant time, and a lot of focus on home and family. I think some of you have been quite worried about your parents, and there's been a sense of either wanting to move them to where you live, or you wanting to go and stay with them, some amount of renovation. Maybe you're creating some more space with them, or you're helping them either redo their space. And it's a time wherein that there can be some amount of improvements. If things have been a little tense at home, you can expect that there's enough communication that's happening, that you're able to sort of make you're able to make them understand as to your perspective, where it is that you're coming from. But quite a sensitive time, Leos, because it's a very emotional and quite an intense times. I think a lot of childhood memories could get relived during this time. And though in a sense, I would say it's a time of healing as well. But I think for a lot of you, it can be that you're nurturing your own parents. It's as if the roles have got reversed, and you're playing the parent, and your parents are they need that support or that nurturance as you did when you were a child. So quite a lovely time, Leos. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and a lot of gratitude for being able to share this beautiful place in Ladakh with you. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.